Where are you, Ben?
Tube this time.
Which tube is it?
Metropolitan line, I think.
Metropolitan line. And where are you going from and to?
Going to Farringdon.
Farringdon, okay. Show doors. So it's only a short trip then, isn't it? It's not a long trip. Just show that there. Okay, and then I think we're coming out now, that tunnel. Ooh, that's another one going past. We're going to end up at Farringdon in a minute. It's gone back into a tunnel.
Yeah. And what should we do when we get to Farringdon?
Well, let's have a think when we get there, shall we?
Okay.
Another tunnel, so I'm going to turn this off now because I've got a feeling that we're going to be there in a minute.